Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how to get and use Green Status on Cash App. Green Status is Cash App's way of giving extra rewards and upgraded features to active users. Each month, you can qualify in one of two ways. The first way is to spend at least $500 using your Cash App card or by using Cash App Pay. The second way to qualify is to receive at least $300 in deposits. This can come from direct deposit from your job, a payment from someone, or any other deposit that Cash App counts as qualifying. You do not need to do both. You only need to meet one of these two conditions each month. Once you meet the requirement, your account will automatically turn green for that month. You do not have to press anything or sign up again. Cash App updates your status on its own, and you can see your progress in the Money tab. To check your progress, open the Money tab inside Cash App. You will see a progress bar that shows how close you are to earning green status for the month. After you get green status, you unlock several benefits. You can earn a higher interest rate on your Cash App balance. You get free overdraft coverage up to a certain amount when using your Cash App card. You may also get free ATM withdrawals at supported machines, free cash deposits at stores, weekly cashback offers, and faster customer support. Thanks for watching.